If your Ford Ranger is refusing to turn over, it is time to troubleshoot the ignition system systematically. Over 70% of no-start issues in older Ford trucks are simply due to loose or corroded electrical connections. Let us break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by cleaning your battery terminals and confirming that all major engine grounds are making a solid connection. Once power is confirmed, look closely at the starter solenoid and the ignition switch, which are common failure points. If the engine cranks but won't fire, the crankshaft position sensor or an active security lockout might be to blame. Simple DIY fixes often resolve the problem, but deeper electrical shorts usually require a professional shop visit. This chart shows the average cost of parts for common no-start repairs, keeping in mind that labor adds significantly to these totals. If basic checks fail, use a multimeter to verify signal voltage and check for stored diagnostic codes in the computer. Keep these three tools in your truck to handle most electrical troubleshooting scenarios on the go. Remember, rushing into replacing expensive sensors often masks a much simpler ground issue. Follow these steps, stay safe with proper jack stands, and you will find the root cause of your Ranger's starting trouble.